Good morning, friends. In the last previous lecture, we studied about the Stewart's hypothesis or Stewart's theory. Stewart's hypothesis and K-pump hypothesis or K-pump theory. These are the theories of mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. And today we are going to discuss on the K-pump theory, or this K-pump theory is also called as a Mallet-Ion hypothesis. This theory proposed by Leavitt in 1974. This theory proposed by Leavitt, and according to Leavitt, or according to this hypothesis or theory, during daytime the starch is converted into malic acid. According to this theory, during daytime, the starch is converted into malic acid. But this malic acid is being weak and it is dissociates into K plus ions, that is potassium ions, and protons, that is H plus ions. See, today we are going to discuss on the K-pump hypothesis or Mallet-Ion hypothesis. This is the another theory which explains the mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. And this theory proposed by Leavitt. According to Leavitt, during daytime, starch is converted into malic acid. This malic acid is being weak and it is dissociates. It is splits into K plus ions and H plus ions. That is mallet ions and that is potassium ions and protons, that is H plus ions. But during daytime, K plus ions, that is potassium ions, accumulates in the guard cells of the stomata, while the H plus ions accumulates into the subsidiary cells of stomata. आता दिवसा काय होतं, स्टार्चचं कन्वर्शन मॅलिक ऍसिड मध्ये होतं. हे मॅलिक ऍसिड कसं आहे, वीक आहे. वीक असल्यामुळे काय होतं, याचं डिसोसिएशन होतं, याचं स्प्लिटिंग होतं आणि स्प्लिटिंग होऊन काय होतं, के प्लस आयन्स आणि एच प्लस आयन्स सेपरेट्स होतात. परंतु हे जे के प्लस आयन्स आहेत, दिस के प्लस आयन्स accumulates into the guard cells of the stomata. हे जे के प्लस आयन्स आहेत हे स्टोमाटाच्या गार्ड सेल्स मध्ये अक्युमुलेट होतात आणि एच प्लस आयन्स जे एच प्लस आयन्स accumulates into the subsidiary cells of stomata. Now, due to accumulation of K plus ions into the guard cells, या guard cells मध्ये K plus ions accumulate झाल्यामुळे काय होतं? What happens? Due to accumulation of K plus ions into the guard cells, the concentration of the guard cells becomes increases. That is because of the accumulation of the K plus ions into the guard cells. ह्या guard cells मध्ये पोटॅशियम आयन्स, ज्यांना आपण K plus ions म्हणतो, हे accumulate झाल्यामुळे काय होतं, guard cells concentration वाढतं as compared to surrounding subsidiary cells. Means the concentration of cytoplasm of the guard cell is increases. That is because of the accumulation of the potassium ions, and hence the osmotic pressure of the guard cell is become increases. या guard cells चा काय वाढेल, osmotic pressure वाढेल. Why? Because in the guard cell there is a strong solution is present, while in subsidiary cells there is a weak solution is present, and hence with the help of exosmosis or by the process of endosmosis, by the process of endosmosis, the water molecules which are present in the subsidiary cells that enters into the guard cells. आता काय होईल, ह्या गार्ड सेल्स मध्ये काय अक्युमुलेट झाले, के प्लस आयन्स अक्युमुलेट झाले. हे के प्लस आयन्स ज्या वेळेला गार्ड सेल्स मध्ये अक्युमुलेट होतात त्यावेळेला काय होतं, गार्ड सेल्सचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढतं. गार्ड सेलमध्ये जो सायटोप्लाझम आहे त्या सायटोप्लाझमचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन वाढतं. कोणापेक्षा? आउटर सब्सिडरी सेल्स पेक्षा. म्हणून काय होतं, ह्या ठिकाणी ऑस्मॉसिस होतं. आपल्याला माहितीये ऑस्मॉसिस इज टेक्स प्लेस फ्रॉम वीक सोल्युशन टू द स्ट्रॉंग सोल्युशन. म्हणून हे जे वीक सोल्युशन आहे which is present in the subsidiary cells that enters into the guard cells, and hence the osmotic pressure, diffusion pressure deficit of the guard cell is become increased. That causes the turgidity of cell. याच्यामुळे काय होईल, सेलची टर्जिडिटी वाढते, सेल एक्सपांड्स होतात, सेल फुगतात. गार्ड सेल्स आर बिकम टर्जिड. देअर आउटर थिन वॉल are expands. हे जे outer thin wall आहे which are elastic in nature, they are expands, and their inner thick walls are stretched away from each other. आणि ह्या ज्या inner thick wall आहेत एकमेकांपासून ताणल्या जातात, एकमेकांपासून दूर जातात. In this way the stomata are opens during daytime according to K-pump theory or K-pump hypothesis. Now in the second part means during night time. मग आता रात्री काय होतं, रात्री रिव्हर्स रिएक्शन्स होतात. ड्युरिंग नाईट टाइम देर इज अ एक्सचेंज ऑफ आयन्स टेक्स प्लेस. रात्री काय होतं, आयन्स एक्सचेंज होतात. द H+ ions which are present in the subsidiary cells, they are exchanged with the K+ ions which are present in the guard cells. There is an exchange of ions takes place. Hence, the H+ ions accumulates into the guard cells. आता या guard cells मध्ये काय आले, H+ ions आले, आणि outer subsidiary cells मध्ये काय आहे, K+ ions आहे. There is an exchange of ions takes place. During night time, the exchange of ions takes place. Ions are exchanged. Now, in the guard cell, H+ ions are accumulated, and because of the accumulation of H+ ions, the concentration of the guard cell is become decreases. guard cells जे सायटोप्लाझम आहे त्या सायटोप्लाझमचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आता वीक होतं. का? दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द accumulation of H+ ions, and hence the cytoplasm which is present in the guard cell is being weak as compared to surrounding subsidiary cells. मग आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ऑस्मॉसिस कुठून कुठं होतं, वीक सोल्युशन कडून स्ट्रॉंग सोल्युशन कडे होतं. मग आता गार्ड सेल्स मध्ये काय, वीक सोल्युशन. का? दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द accumulation of H+ ions, and the concentration of the subsidiary cells is increases. या सबसिडरी सेलचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन काय झालं, आता वाढलं. दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द accumulation of potassium ions or K+ ions, and here the exosmosis takes place. आता ह्या ठिकाणी काय होईल, exosmosis होईल. The water molecules which are present in the guard cells that comes out into the outer subsidiary cells. याच्यातले वॉटर मॉलिक्युल्स काय होतील, आता गार्ड सेल्स मधले वॉटर मॉलिक्युल्स बाहेर पडतील by the process of exosmosis, and this expanded thin wall of the guard cells are become shrink. आता पाणी बाहेर निघून गेलं, एक्झॉस्मोसिस झालं, वॉटर मॉलिक्युल्स आर कम्स आउट into the outer subsidiary cells, and hence the osmotic pressure and diffusion pressure deficit of the guard cell is become decreases, and that causes the shrinkage of guard cell. Guard cells shrink होतील, and guard cells are become shrink so that their inner thick walls comes very close to each other, and stomata are closed during the night time according to K-pump theory or K-pump hypothesis. And this is all about the mechanism of opening and closing of stomata according to K-pump theory or Malatine hypothesis, which was proposed by Leavitt. Okay, that's all. Tomorrow we will discuss on the another topic, that is factors affecting the rate of transpiration. Okay.